Hello, everyone.
Hello.
Hello.
What's up, everyone? Welcome back to another episode.
Yes, back
Another
again.
episode.
Without the voice chat this time,
Oh, well,
because
actually, I got the voice chat.
I mean, yes, but we're not
I
using it today
yeah.
because we
But
just wanted to sit down and have just a regular old, video chatting and stuff. So
yeah.
as you can see, we finished up the floor as we promised, and
Yep.
we have already built like a little staircase. Even though I will be making it a little more spectacular, but it gotta do for now. And you might have
Yeah.
heard some little water particles, and well, it's because we finished up the storage system. Well, not completely. There's still some work to do, but
Sneak peek. Sneak peek. Ooh.
here we go.
There it
So,
is.
as you can hear, we got a little axolotl in here. It's Mr. Piffles. Oh,
What's
God.
up, little buddy?
What's up, little bud?
What's up, little buddy?
He's
Yeah,
just
so,
kind of moving around.
we made this real quick, and we're gonna be filling all these walls with chests and stuff.
Yeah, basically. And, we thought it would be fun to, like, put the axolotl in here, have it, like, glass and everything, because it brings it a little more alive, We could have done a simple
Yeah.
storage system with just regular blocks and everything, but that would be boring,
Yeah. I think once we have a coral reef biome, we'll just swap the glowstone for sea pickles because
Yeah,
they look nicer underwater.
they do, but we
Um,
didn't have
and we're
them.
gonna and we're gonna add coral down here, make it look all nice.
Yes,
But for now,
definitely.
this is what it is, and
Sir, he
I
asked
like it.
for no pickles.
He asked for no pickles.
I want my pickles.
Where are my pickles?
Where are my pickles, sir? I need my pickles.
I specifically asked for them.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Anyway, next up is gonna be this base. Well, we're gonna keep building on the walls and make a little more interior and stuff.
Yep,
Like,
definitely make a
as you can
roof as
see.
well, because, it's
Yeah.
kind of open in the air. Okay.
Yeah. So, I'm gonna go ahead and get some materials, some blocks.
We got a lot of materials.
Yeah.
And,
It's
as
probably not enough.
regular, there will be another time lapse. So now it's getting boring as hell. If it's not interesting, I'll just cut to the end product because, you guys are probably already getting sick of all the time lapses.
Are you kidding me? Time lapses are the best thing in the video.
Are
I
you
love time
sure?
lapses. Yeah.
Alright, well, the man requests time lapses. You guys have no choice. It is what it is. Hippity hoppity, this video is now my property. Alright, so, Basically.
yeah.
So,
Yeah.
it is what it is. And you know how big we are on, like, big structures. It gets us going, and it's a lot of fun. It's just a lot of fun.
I'm already working, man. I'm already working on the base. You can't stop me.
He's so quick.
I'm working
I am
on mine.
unstoppable.
Oh,
You are,
hello.
yes, you are. You're who? You are so unstoppable. So let's go.
Whoa.
Yeah.
More time lapse. Woo!
Super fast.
So, hi, it's me, voiceover Venison again. So, in this footage that you see right here, Joost forgot to, well, how do I say this? Record his own voice. So, we don't have a voice for him. So, basically, what I'm gonna have to do is, do a voiceover once again, because nothing ever gets to be smooth. So, anyway, what we are telling here is that we've made quite some progress in this video. Once again, this is a very short video because we didn't have much else to do. We just wanted to work on the base for now, and that's all we really did. But we did have, we did have a lot of progress done on the base so far. So we're really happy with that. We were showing around what we had done, like we'd done some balconies and some stairs, and we made like little walkways to go from one balcony to the other. And basically we've already started on the roof as well. So you probably already seen what we did basically in the time lapse, and we really wanted to do more for this video, but it was getting kind of late and we had a lot of shit to do because of school, because we had a big project the next day, and basically it was all very tightly scripted when it came to recording. So we didn't have a lot of time, that's why we didn't do as much. But what we did do was good enough for this video. That's why this video is probably not even going to be any longer than 12 minutes. But that's because we didn't have a lot of time. And as well, right now that I'm editing this, it's already almost time to upload this video. And I'm very good at, planning ahead. Great, so didn't have a lot of time. But it is almost summer vacation for us, so it's great. And right now all we have to say is goodbye in this video, because that's really it. So goodbye, hope you enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a like.